How to turn off sensitive content on Twitter. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can turn off sensitive content on Twitter or the new branded X application, so make sure to stick with me till the end. Now if you have the X app or the Twitter application and then you would like to go ahead and then basically delete it, well, you have to just go ahead and open it up, and let's say you want to disable sensitive content, right? Which means you don't want to see sensitive content on your Twitter or your X application. In order for this to be possible, tap the profile icon from the top left and then just go to settings and support, and then go to settings and privacy here. And as you come to settings and privacy, you can just navigate to privacy and safety, and then you can just go to the option over here known as content you see, and then tap on it. As you tap on it, right here you'll find the option called display media that make content sensitive content. If it is turned on, that means that sensitive content is currently enabled and I will be able to view them. So if you'd like to disable or turn this thing off, you want to just make sure to turn this thing off like this, and then you will be able to turn off sensitive content on Twitter or X. This way you'll be able to turn off sensitive content on Twitter. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.